Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset iPhone in iTunes. Let's begin. So yes, you can have an option to reset your iPhone while it's connected to iTunes. So how are you gonna do that? So let's go to this little iPhone icon right here. Just at the upper left portion of the page. And if you click on that, it's defaulted to summary. Just stay there in summary, and this is where you could see restore iPhone. Okay, so for restore iPhone, when you click on that, you just need to follow on-screen instructions. It will give you instruction there on what you need to do. But in this case, there's like a reminder that I need to turn off find my, and actually if there's like other factors that you need to turn off on your iPhone just to make sure that you would be able to restore your iPhone. So take note guys that once you hit on OK, it pretty much would restart or reset your iPhone. And you could also go to support.apple.com for some guidelines. And if you're going to be doing this, you have to make sure that be reminded that if you are going to restore your iPhone, it would erase all your informations and settings. And then make sure that if you're able to, like in my case, my find my iPhone is turned on, so that's why earlier you're able to see this one because my location settings and find my iPhone is set up. I mean it's turned on, it's activated, so I can do that. So there is just summary and then restore iPhone, then just follow the on-screen instruction and then you're good to go. I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.